Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. If you haven't subscribed my YouTube channel yet, please click the subscribe button and the bell icon for more videos. A beautiful home brings a sense of warmth to whoever lives in it, and the owner makes a good impression to visitors. Accessorizing your home will always have a way of adding some edge to the overall look. Over the years, incorporating home decors made with wood has become one of the most sought after trends. This is due to its simplicity and also the sophistication it brings to the home. There are also several wood designs that one can make on their own in their free time, and for those who like to be creative, these woodworking projects for your home will be worth giving a try. Woodcraft is quite possibly one of the best forms of expressing the artist in. It looks so simple yet so intricate. It helps you reconnect with nature on a spiritual level. It is dangerously addictive, as people who pressure this hobby have been known to spend hours at a time working on a simple project by using various woodworking tools and never quite know it. There is also something uniquely fulfilling and beautiful about decorating your home or giving someone a gift with something you made. A lot of people use different types of saws to practice this art and have become somewhat masters of their trade. But they had to start somewhere to write. If you are looking to get into it, here are some simple woodworking ideas that can get you started. There are a lot of cool woodworking projects about some easy wood ideas, from wooden desks, shelves, wooden clamps, trays, and decorative articles to coffee table plants, TV stand plants, bed frame woodworking plants, rocking chairs, wine holders, clocks, fences, wall designs, bird houses, cutlery, coasters, and whatnot that you can try as beginners, and they tell you how to do it step by step. Having mentioned these amazing woodworking projects, I hope you get inspired to try out one of them. Don't hesitate to make mistakes as you make your own pieces, as it is a learning process. The more natural the wood pieces look, the more artistic your home shall be.